Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open the Google Drive app and sign into your Google account on your phone. Tap the new button near the bottom right to create a file. Choose Google Forms from the list to open a blank form. If you do not see Google Forms, open your mobile browser and go to Forms. Google.com instead. Creating a simple form takes about 10 to 15 minutes for a basic survey on most phones. Keep your phone screen unlocked and your account active while you work. Tap the plus icon to add a question and pick a question type from the menu. Use the drop-down to choose multiple choice, checkbox, or short answer as needed. Write a clear question and add helpful option text or a placeholder. Mark required questions with the required toggle so respondents must answer before submitting. Add descriptions or images by tapping the description or image icons beneath each question. Group related questions by adding section breaks for better flow and navigation. Tap the palette icon to change theme color, font, and add a header image to brand the form. Use the gear icon to adjust settings like collecting email addresses and limiting to one response per person. Tap Send to share the form via link, email, or to copy embed HTML code for websites. Monitor incoming answers in the Responses tab, or tap the green Sheets icon to link responses to a Google Sheet. Export or delete responses from the sheet when you finish collecting data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.